Using Apple Maps for directions and suddenly it stops working? No GPS, blank screen, or inaccurate routes. It's frustrating, especially when you are on the go. In today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot and fix Apple Maps when it's not working, from checking your settings and location services to updating the app and refreshing your connection. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. So go to your settings and scroll down until you see privacy and security. Go to location services and make sure it is switched on. Then scroll down to maps and make sure you allow location services. Also, turn on precise location because this allows Apple Maps to more accurately determine your location, which is important for navigation. Now you can check if your location is accurate. If not, we have to reset your phone's connection. The fastest way to do this is by turning on and off airplane mode. To do this, swipe down on your phone and you should see an icon on the top left on your control center that resembles an airplane. Tap on it and the icon will turn orange. Wait for a few seconds and tap on it again to reconnect. If this still does not work, you may have to force reboot your phone. To do this, press the volume up button, the volume down button, and hold on to the power key until the screen goes black. And once the Apple logo comes on, you can release the button. Go to your Apple Maps again to see if the location is accurate and working this time. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye-bye.